This video will detail the assembly process for the genuine CU and CS 500 e-bikes. To begin, find a clear and spacious work area. Carefully cut the plastic bands and tape along the top of the box. Using a flat blade screwdriver and a pair of pliers, remove the staples along the sides of the box. After removing all the staples, open the box so it sits flat on the ground and can be used as a protective work surface. With the box now open, lay the e-bike on its side and cut the zip ties securing the front wheel and front fender to the bicycle frame and set both aside. Cut and carefully remove the zip ties, tape, and foam on the handlebars, rear rack, and kickstand. We recommend reusing the foam from the rear tire to protect the handlebar stem at this point. Ensure the seat is tightly secured before lifting and resting the bicycle upside down. Locate the box containing the quick-release skewer, headlight, pedals, charger, multi-tool, and user manual. Remove the quick-release skewer, which will be used to install the front wheel. We recommend straddling the upside-down bicycle while you remove the protective foam on the front fork and plastic spacer from the fork dropouts. To remove this spacer, simply pull up and out of the dropouts. Locate the front wheel and remove the plastic hub and brake disc protectors before aligning the front axle with the fork dropouts and the brake disc in between the brake pads. Remove the nut from the quick release skewer and conical spring before sliding the skewer through the axle. Install the conical spring with the narrow end towards the wheel hub. Tighten the nut until you feel adequate resistance and secure by depressing the lever. After installing the wheel, ensure it spins freely before turning the bicycle right side up. Next, position the bicycle right side up and deploy the kickstand. Locate the multi-tool in the box. This tool includes 6 hex head Allen keys, 3 sockets, multiple screwdriver tips, and 3 hex nut wrenches. Using the 4mm Allen key, remove the 4 faceplate bolts from the stem. Center the handlebars in the stem and secure the bolts with the multi-tool. Remove the bubble wrap on the handlebar controls. Now is a good time to remove any remaining foam or cardboard on the bicycle frame. Using the 8mm socket and 4mm Allen key in the multi-tool, loosen the front fender fork mounts, being careful to retain the bolt, 2 washers, and nut on each mount. Next, remove the bolt and washer installed in the rear face of the fork brace. Locate and unwrap the front fender. Carefully fold out the 2 support struts and rest the fender in place on top of the tire. Align the fender struts with the mounting brackets and loosely attach the bolts, 2 washers, and nuts, leaving some room for adjustment. Next, remove the headlight from the accessories box and align with the fork brace and center fender mount. Secure with the bolt and washer. Ensure the fender is aligned correctly before tightening all hardware securely. Carefully install the positive and negative spade connections in the headlight. Connect the red wire to the positive side and the black wire to the negative side, as indicated on the bottom of the headlight. Remove the stem top cap rubber cover and slightly loosen the top cap bolt and stem bolts. Align the front wheel and handlebars so they are both straight before retightening the stem top cap and then the 2 stem bolts. Reinstall the top cap rubber cover. Ensure the handlebars turn without binding. From the accessories box, locate the pedals and remove the shrink wrapping. Match the pedal indicator to the respective crank side and turn the threaded end in the direction indicated on the crank arm. Tighten the pedal securely with the multi-tool from the back side of the crank arm. Repeat the process for the opposite pedal. On the drive side of the bicycle, remove the rear fender support and frame bolt. Install the derailleur protector by threading it through the cable, and then secure by reinstalling the fender support and frame bolt. Carefully remove the keys zip-tied to the front handlebars. You can remove the battery by turning the key and sliding the battery out of its carrier. On the CU, there is an articulating lever which can help with removal. Reinstall the battery by aligning the bottom receiver and rotating the battery into position until it locks in place. Pressing the rubber button on the battery illuminates LEDs that indicate the battery's state of charge. Locate the charger body and the 110 volt cord. Plug the 110 volt cord into the charger body. Note that when the battery charger is plugged into an outlet, the light on the charger is green. When the battery is being charged, the light on the charger body turns red. To power on the bicycle, tap and hold the M button for approximately 1 second. The dash will indicate the battery's state of charge, the current pedal assist mode, the bicycle speed, and the odometer. Pedal assist levels can be changed by using the plus and minus buttons on the dash and vary from level 0 to level 5. Pressing and holding the plus button for approximately 2 seconds will illuminate the headlight, tail light, and dash backlight. Pressing and holding the plus button for 2 seconds again will power off the headlight, tail light, and dash backlight. Tap and hold the M button for approximately 1 second to power off the bicycle. This completes the assembly process for the genuine CU and CS 500 e-bikes. Ride safe.